Now steps to convert decimal into fraction. What's the meaning of decimal? We will write the number in decimal point. We have two parts in number, first whole part, then fractional part. And in with decimal point into fraction mean we will write into numerator and denominator form. In first we have value 1.9. Step 1, write numerator decimal number without decimal point. First we write this number without decimal point, 19. Step 2, write denominator 1 followed by as many zeros as there are decimal places. And first we write 19 by, here we write 1 first, when 1 first, then we write zeros, number of zeros. If we have one decimal place, mean after decimal point we have one number, we will write 10. If we have after decimal point two numbers, we will write 2 zeros. So here we have one decimal place, so we write after 1, 10. Here we have example, convert 0.3 into fraction. First we write 3, then we write by, and in next step we find the decimal place, and here the decimal place is 1. After point, decimal point, we have one number, so the decimal point is 1. Decimal place is 1. First we write 3 by 1 and number of zeros. Number of zero is 1. So 0.3 is equal to 3 by 10 is our answer. Next, steps to convert fraction into decimal. Fraction means numerator and denominator form into decimal. So our value is 17 by 10. Step 1, write numerator of the fraction as the number. We will write just numerator, mean upper value 17. Step 2, now count number of zeros in denominator and place a decimal point. In denominator we will count the number of zeros. Here we have 10. So after ones place we will write decimal point. So here in ones place we have 7. From right side we have ones place, we have number 7. After 7 we will write decimal point because here we have 10. Next, convert 28 by 100 into decimal. 28 by 100. First we write denominator 28 and we count the number of zeros. Here we have 2 number of zeros in denominator. So in ones place we have 0, in tens place we have 0, then we have 1. So after from right side ones and tens value we will write decimal point. In ones place we have 8. First we write 28 by 100 is equal to, in ones place we have 8 and in tens place we have 2. Because here in denominator we have 2 zeros, so after 2 numbers we will write decimal point, then we will write 0. So our answer is 0.28.